Hey guys, how's everybody doing? We're doing good. We got another project. You saw it last week. Oh, Dancing Bear is here. There you go. He'll explain to you what's going on with all this gadgetry.
Hi everybody. Another week, another project. 2021 GTR AMG GTR Pro, and we do the hydraulic lifting system installation just up front, for the front. And the company Colin KW, they make that kit. This is like, I'd like to say this is universal kit for many cars like Audi, Porsche, many of supercar, sport car, and it's not that difficult to install. This is hydraulic strut, line, module, pump, and this have a button. It's a beautiful button. Let me
It's in the box. It's in the box.
No.
Oh.
It's a normally that kit is came with the button. You just push the button and the car is rise. Yeah, see, this is like yeah, but always but with us. They design the remote control, because button, if you install button, you have to cut some hole inside it, any molding trim or anything. This is remote control, just on and off. This is our plan for today. We start this side. You can see we remove air box from left and right side, because we have a 3 nut over there. The piping, now it's already
Turbo.
Now it's already original coilovers is out. We just open 4 bolt for the upper control arm, then 3 bolt there and 1 big nut, and we remove the coilovers. It's a coilover because this is adjustable. We can adjust X, right? And then we have to install that reservoir inside the trunk area and fabricate line, and from trunk to the front moving that all line. I think this day we have to finish that. I hope. We have few more cars. This is our lifetime project.
Well, weekend project.
Yeah, this is what happens last Saturday with this beautiful car. Ta-da!
It's empty. There's nothing here.
We stripped that car because we have a Haltech harness. We need to fabricate. We want to delete many options for this car, because this is it's not that race car, but new design 2021. We want to do some more modern stuff like a harness, ECU, and cluster. Inside, many things is done. I pre-fit half of downpipe because we have a full 3-inch exhaust manifold. We just welded, pre-fit.
There's a couple holes.
Yeah, this is like because we want to keep that hose. We have a big surge tank with a 2 dual Dutchworks fuel pump. It's a 400 LB, and we have a 1 internal pump inside the tank. It's like we have a 3 pump now, and that surge tank always keep the tank it's full, because we planning to run E85 ethanol, like alcohol, right? But this is project. This week, next week, M5 Competition. We start work with the M5 Competition engine, almost done. They do the Frankenstein turbos and probably a lot of power, but this is next. Let's start work with this guy.
Working on this GTR.
Working. It's not working. We are really upset.
Yeah, that's a little disappointment.
I mean, it's miscommunication between buyer, owner of the car, and company who sent him that kit, and it's a wrong kit. It's not fit for this GTR. They probably resent to him another kit, because this kit is without the springs, this kit without some pad, and physically we can install that kit. And now we have to assemble everything back. We figure out this when we pull apart the strut and we see it's wrong one. Now we just lose time. We lose over half a day for figure out what's going on, and now we assembled everything back and back to another cars. So sad.
Upsetting, but it is what it is.
Yeah, this is our job. And of course, guys, before we finish assembled back this beautiful GTR Pro, I would like to show you how is that looks car underneath. Of course, everybody see the spoiler, the front lip, diffuser. This is aerodynamic arm, but look at this, what is underneath. Carbon. But first, big surprise for us, sway bar. Let me zoom a little bit. It's a carbon fiber sway bar. It's really cool. And another thing, so of course, guys, you know the engine located in the front, transmission located in the rear, but here is the tunnel, and of course carbon fiber. It's huge tunnel from engine to transmission, carbon fiber. Of course, small things like support bracket, torque bracket, rear diffuser and belly pants. It's a carbon fiber, but it's deep inside. You can see a lot of carbon fiber stuff too. It's like a torque frame between axles, active steering in the rear. But guys, think about that. It's a whole tunnel carbon fiber. Wow, wow, wow. Now I really understand why it's a high price and attention to detail on this beautiful GTR Pro. Anyway, see you soon, GTR, and of course we would like to install it all suspension. I mean, not all, front lifting suspension. Well, we are back to work after a sad day. Ilya here with the customer, and that beautiful Aventador back to us after it's like past 3,000 miles now. But we do for him the brake pads replacement and just quick inspection. We check everything is fine, looks good. And here is the another guy. It's a Bentley 2020 Continental GT for first service. It's number 9. It's really limited car, only 100. This is Mulliner edition with a Swarovski headlight. Crazy car. We do the service for them and quick inspection, but we have a sad day. We received the engine for competition, and this is what happens. The delivery guy, they not stripe that engine proper way and follow down before we unload it, and we need to inspect and check how is bad that damage and what happens. I hope nothing crazy, but for sure something damaged, because few pieces follow down. I hope nothing crazy, but it's really sad story. Sorry M5, you're never gonna be finished. Yeah, okay, I'm back to work to finish this Bentley. It's quick, everything looks really fine. It's just a first oil change. It's super low miles. Then we have a few Ferraris, one Scuderia F430 and one just regular F1. We do PPI and few inspection and measurement by Leonardo. Stay tuned. Brake pads already replaced. We just need to reset service. Here is how it looks, brake pads almost, and we maintained last time after engine swap. Car is hit over 3,000 miles after engine rebuild. What we do, we replace brake pads and we maintain about air filters. We don't have that air filters in stock last time, and now it's dirty. We just open, check, looks weird, and ordered new one. And now I want to replace it today. Easy, nothing difficult, just like few covers. F430, this is beautiful car. Always for me, Ferrari and F430, it's unique car, it's something special. And we do PPI, pre-purchase inspection. And also we have another F430 outside, but that one it's a super special. And of course I will show you how is that car looks. What we're gonna do for PPI, we do all inspection, we lift it up, we scan that car, we measure the clutch, we check exhaust manifold, headers crack, it's common issue. Sometimes it's a stud, it's a broken half, and start exhaust leaking. The new owner maintain about that problem. We want to check engine mount, we want to check brake condition and few more stuff. But when we lift it up, we film that. Here we go. I can talk a lot about this beautiful car. No carpet, all carbon. It's a real race car. Look is inside. Carbon intake, carbon airbox. Everything is possible carbon. Titanium exhaust. It's super loud, and let me see. Yeah, of course, yeah. It's a cutlass with a race headers. It's really loud car, but and really fast. Scuderia. And here is her sister. We start to inspect this car. We found the problem. It's a common issue. Let's see. This is, if it's possible to see the big gap between exhaust manifold and cylinder head. And this side, no gap, and looks like it's impossible to zoom. I don't know. Okay, this side is good. That side, I think it's a probably thread is snapped. Other things, rotors is good, few damage from the bumper, but car is good. It's a really low miles, like something around 20,000, and no any crazy things, no any leaks. The old owner maintained about clutch replacement of around some 15,000 miles. It's normal. But that exhaust leaks, it's weird, and probably we have to pull exhaust manifold. This is headers with a catalytic. The problem, it's overheated and bended. I think we do we send to machine shop to surface that area, and we fix the thread and back to road this beautiful car before summer.
Well, we're working on a few BMWs today.
Today's BMW day.
Yeah. And then we got another one outside that we gotta do, of course, Dancing Bear.
And we have an engine M5 Competition already.
So we have the M5 that came in. We got a few goodies for it. A couple turbos.
It's a Franken turbos. Ooh. Ooh. We have a X5 S62 TU for valve guide seal, and this is what need to do for valve guide seal.
Fun stuff.
We have a i8 engine come today or tomorrow.
Today.
Yeah, full swap i8. It's like, looks like we avoid supercar on this week, and we have to take care about regular customer BMW owner, right? It's a thank you BMW engineering for this is many houses, many stuff like think of what they smoke when they break that like
I don't know.
too much.
They don't like their mechanics.
Yeah, finally they avoid that stuff on competition and on the new BMW. This is oh thank you truck. They avoid hydraulic stuff, this like electric rack, like a lot of electric and no more hydraulic fluid. Thank you. More clean shop after that swap. But anyway, how is huge that? That one is just regular water pump.
Water pump, thermostat. We're doing spark plugs and coils.
This is quick, and have one more BMW come for just regular service.
And a GL for suspension. Maybe.
Maybe. Another day, another cars. 458 come back for replacing auto sensor and for tracker device installation. But look at this. GTR. It's a magic word for many people. GTR get crazy HKS engine. Super expensive. RB28 stroker kit with a lot of goodies. Titanium, everything titanium. Crazy performance car. Powerful, something around 650 horse. Beautiful and super low miles. Still work on that Beamer and still waiting few parts for this Beamer and start assembly probably today, tomorrow. But let's back to 458.